Are you looking for top-notch 3D scanning services in Gurgaon Sector 44, Delhi NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to fulfill all your scanning needs. With their state-of-the-art technology and expertise in the field, they are the go-to company for all things related to 3D scanning. Whether you need to scan objects for reverse engineering, product development, or quality control, Scon Design India Private Ltd has got you covered. One of the reasons why Scon Design India Private Ltd stands out in the crowd is their commitment to providing high-quality and accurate 3D scanning services. Their team of professionals is highly skilled and well-trained in using advanced scanning equipment to capture even the tiniest details of an object. They understand the importance of precision in 3D scanning and ensure that their scans are as accurate as possible, delivering results that exceed your expectations. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other companies is their dedication to customer satisfaction. They prioritize the needs of their clients and strive to deliver results that meet their specific requirements. Whether you are a small business owner or a large corporation, they treat every project with equal importance and work tirelessly to ensure that you are satisfied with the final outcome. Scon Design India Private Ltd is conveniently located in Gurgaon Sector 44, Delhi NCR, making it easily accessible for clients in the area. Their strategic location allows them to serve a wide range of industries, including automotive, aerospace, manufacturing, and more. No matter what industry you belong to, Scon Design India Private Ltd has the expertise and experience to cater to your scanning needs. Are you in need of top-notch 3D scanning services in Gurgaon Sector 44, Delhi NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to provide you with the best scanning services in the area. With their expertise and cutting-edge technology, Scon Design India Private Limited has established itself as a leading provider of 3D scanning services. Whether you are in the field of architecture, engineering, or design, their services can cater to all your needs. Scon Design India Private Ltd takes pride in their state-of-the-art scanning equipment that ensures accurate and precise results. Their team of highly skilled professionals is well-versed in the latest scanning techniques and can handle projects of any size and complexity. From small objects to large-scale structures, they have the capability to capture every detail with utmost precision. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other scanning service providers is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand the importance of delivering results that exceed expectations and they go above and beyond to achieve that. Their team works closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and tailor their services accordingly.